In this video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite features within Canva, which is the hotkey presentation tools. So I have my basic presentation, and I'm just going to jump into present mode by clicking on my present button and selecting present. And then I'm going to show you some of the different fun hotkeys that you can use with your kids. So the first one that I like to use is for curtains. So if I want to have my presentation hidden before class starts, or if I just want to close it for a minute for a variety of reasons, I hit U on my keyboard, and that will close and open my curtains. I can do other things if I need to redirect my class's attention. I can hit B, and I can blur out my screen until I have the attention of my class before we move on. I can also help quiet them down with a fun emoji by hitting Q on my keyboard, and you won't be able to hear the audio, but it will give a shushing noise, which is just really fun and a great way to get kids' attention. I like when students do participate and give me great answers. I like to give them confetti by hitting C on my keyboard and celebrating that success. I also have a drum roll if I'm preparing to tell them something fun or if I'm waiting for a student to come up to the front, and you won't be able to hear the actual drum roll, but it will remain on the screen until I hit D again. So I hit D on the keyboard to start it, and then D on the keyboard to get rid of it. Now the last one, which is just fun and silly, is going to be O, and that's just going to add some bubbles and some animation to my presentation. And then finally, the one that is most useful is my timer key. So at the top, I can select how long I want a timer to go, and I can do that by hitting the number keys. So if I have a 1-minute timer, I'm just going to hit a 1, and it will pop up. If I need a 3-minute timer, I can hit a 3 or a 9. If I want a quick timer, I hit a 0, and it's going to give me 3 seconds. So now, although the timers within the presentation tools do not go above 9 minutes, there are a few options for you if you wanted to add in a longer timer. So if I come and I create a new slide, and then I go to my elements, I can search for a countdown timer. And I can type in how long I want it, and it's going to be hard to find the longer ones, but let's just say I want to type in 20 minutes, and we'll see what I get. Now, if you just see a picture here, this is just going to be a picture of the timer, but what you're looking for is something that has an animation or has a video. So I can go over here to videos, and then I can see all of my different options. So you'll see this one's a 5-minute video, and this one is a 30-minute video, so that's the closest one I can find. So I can click add my element, and then I can hit play when I'm in my presentation mode or practicing, and it will give me that 30-minute timer. So there's just a lot of extra features that you can use while presenting in Canva to make it fun and exciting for you and your students.